thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna moisturize my fro. I did not tie my hair up last night. I know. So it's definitely super dry and not suitable for a ponytail right now. And plus my edges would suck if I would put it up in a ponytail right now. So I'm just gonna moisturize it, and I'm gonna use my lemongrass leave-in conditioner. I really love this stuff. I got it from Kroger's. What I do, I just put it in my hands, and then I kind of just like scrunch it in my hair. And this shit smells so good. Sorry for cussing, but it smells good. Okay. And I kind of just do this to my ends. I don't usually put this on my scalp. I really don't. So I do about 3 applications of that. Okay. And also, while I'm putting, because sometimes my fro can get like really matted. It can get like, shrink is real, honey, okay? So I'm basically trying to, you know, wake up my hair. Like, I'm going to be pulling at it while I'm preparing it for that high pony. So after I do that, I'm going to use my tea tree oil. And I'm going to do the same thing. But only I'm just going to do one application on my hair. And then the next application will go on my scalp. You guys can use whatever products you use for hair, whatever works for your hair. This is just what really works for my hair. So now I'm just gonna keep stretching my hair. Another way to stretch your hair, I think I'm gonna do a video on it, because a lot of people will see my afro like kind of short, where the shrinkage is being real at that moment, and then I'll do a twist out over like a week, and my hair will be stretched out like big, like out to here. So now that I've moisturized my fro, I'm going to use my edge control. Edge control really does not work for my hair. It really doesn't. But I found that my edge control and like this other product called Multicultural Curls really holds my edges down. So the edge control that I use is called Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste, and it smooths your edges basically. And I got this from Kroger's. So this is what it looks like. And it's by Curls. Like, that's what the brand is called. The company. So I'm gonna start by putting the edge control on my edges. Let me get up here so you guys can see. So guys, yeah, you basically can use whatever you want to use. I mean, you can use gels, spritzes, got to be glue, anything that has a holding property to it, nothing that will cause like a residue in your hair, like a white residue. So I wouldn't recommend like getting brands that you know will flake up on you and cause a white residue, just because you want a nice, sleek, neat and clean edges, and you want your high puff to be sleek. So now that I've done that, I look crazy. I'm gonna use my double-sided brush, the hard side, not the soft, and I'm gonna brush that in. Now I'm gonna add that Multicultural Curls by Miss Jessie's. And I got this from Kroger's as well. I got all these products for $21. So rub it in my hair. Now I rub this because it turns white. So I don't want my hair white. So I definitely rub it in like it's lotion first. As you guys can see, like it's white. And it's going to show up in my hair white if you don't rub it out first. After you do that, this has a little hold because it's for curls. So just by adding that, it helps hold it. And I'm not even going to brush it hard. I'm just going to kind of brush that into the edge control. Okay. So now that I'm done, I am going to go ahead and put it in a high puff. Which I thought I had my string. Wow. How do you lose something? It was just like literally right here next to me. I'll be back. It's not understanding like where it could be. So, oh. I was sitting on it. Okay. Ooh, and don't laugh at my string, y'all. You could tell I use this all the time. Look, it's about to tear. So, but it does its job. So this is what I use to do my high puff. Like, where the hell you do it? Do you get a big hair tie like that? Like, this is not a hair tie. I got this off a pair of boots that I've never worn. So, so it's not like a dirty shoestring or nothing. But I kind of tie it. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So first thing I'm going to do, bring it up and over my ears. Like that. On both sides. Right? And then at that point, when it gets here, like in front of your eyes, you're going to go ahead and act like you're tying your shoes. So you're going to make that little knot, whatever the fuck it is. Okay. So you're going to hold it like close to the center, like your fingers. And you're going to just kind of like scooch it up. Like pulling it and bringing it back at the same time. Once I get to my edges, I pull it tight. Okay. Now, I am not going to let go of this tightness. Like, I'm going to keep it tight because you want your pony tight. Okay. So, at that point, I'm going to push this up. You guys can see I pushed it up. Okay. So once I push it up, that's when I'm going to tighten. Each time you push up your pony, you want to tighten it. So now I'm leaving it at this grip. So now I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to put my finger here. And I'm going to go up again. Like I said, every time you push it up, you're going to tighten it. So now I'm going to tighten it. Okay? So once I got it to my desired height, or wherever you want your pony to sit, this is fine with me. Maybe a little bit higher. So I'm going to hold it. I'm going to go up. I'm going to tighten it again. So this is where I usually have my pony. So once you've got your desire, like where you want your pony to sit, then you can tie it. So I tighten it one more time, and then I bring it to the back.
Okay guys, so what I'm going to be doing is basically just wrapping it around my fro until I'm able to tie it.
Okay, so as you guys can see, the string is getting shorter. And then, now that it's short, I'm going to tie it. You could tie it and then you could like tuck it up under like the actual shoestring, or you can get like a bobby pin and pin the ends in. Whatever you do is fine. I just didn't feel like looking for a bobby pin in this bag. This is my last step. I do wrapping lotion foam. So I put some of that on. And then I usually like put a scarf on after this so it could sit, and then my then it will actually like lay down. But since I have somewhere to go, I'm not gonna do that. And then you just kind of scrunch it out depending on how you like your puff. Now, from this point, I would do baby hairs, but like I said, I have somewhere to be, so I'm not going to do any baby hairs. But yeah, guys, this is the end result. Side view. All right, and if I would want this to be like a curly high puff, I would do my twist out first, and then probably the next day, wearing the twist out, I will put it up, and that way it could be curly. This hair is very, I mean, this style is very versatile, so you can make it like a curly puff, you can add a bandana, you could do like a, you really can do anything. That's how I do my high puffs, for all you guys that always ask. I don't know why this isn't laying down. And then you can dress up your baby hairs how you want to. Which I'm not gonna do any baby hairs. But yeah, I'll link all the products that I used down in the description. And if you guys do something different, let me know in the comments below. Maybe I can use that towards my high puff regimen. Yeah, guys, have a good day. If you like this video, you found this helpful, please thumbs up this video. Thank you guys for your support and watching, and always be blessed.